popularity of drones, it has become necessary to have regulations and guidelines in place to ensure their safe and responsible usage. In India, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, has issued guidelines for flying drones, which are classified into 5 categories based on their weight and usage. For drones weighing less than 250 grams, no registration or permission is required. However, they must not be flown above 50 feet and must be kept away from airports and other sensitive locations. Drones weighing more than 250 grams must be registered with the DGCA and can only be flown by licensed pilots. The guidelines also specify that drones cannot be flown in restricted areas, such as airports, international borders, and military installations. They must also not be flown in public areas or near crowds without prior permission from the local authorities. The DGCA has also mandated that all drones must feature a unique identification number and must be equipped with safety features such as GPS and anti-collision lights. Failure to comply with these guidelines can result in fines and legal action. Overall, the guidelines aim to promote safe and responsible drone usage in India, while also preventing any potential harm to individuals and public infrastructure.